Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5070773, because of this error code, that is 0x80070003. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So first of all, if you see retry option, hit retry and then try to update again. If it doesn't work, then pause the update, and once paused, resume the updates, and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then again make a right click and then click on restart. And once this is done, now you can try to update. Still not working, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command and paste it over here, hit the enter key. The scan will take some time, and once the first scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this second scan is 100% complete, run the third scan. So run the third command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5070773. If you see retry option like this, you can click on retry. Now paste the update over here, write down the name of the update, and then click on search. Now over here, first of all, type in WINVER in Windows search box, then click on WinVer run command. And for me, it's version 25H2. And then check what kind of system you have. So you can go to system over here and then go to about option. And over here, for me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download, and then you can click on KB5070773, and then once the download is complete, you run this file, click on it and follow the on-screen instruction to install this update manually. And once that is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, you can open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update Advanced option, scroll down, recovery option, and then fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer. And when you go to update history after the system restart, you will see repair version of 25H2 or 24H2. If you have version 24H2, then you will see this one. If you have version 25H2, you will see this one. And once this is done, now you can try to install the update and then check. Still not working, use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Now click on download now, and then run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, on this screen, click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, and then select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, click on finish over here, and then let this close automatically. It will take some time to close, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the installation, log into the computer, and then you can try to update your Windows 11 once again. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.